Hello everyone.
Hello. Going to Baliano surprise. No bay.
Hello. So guys, we are in the back of a pickup truck on the way to one of the nicest beaches in Mindanao. And I've been wanting to go here for over a year now because my beautiful missus over here had a profile picture in this place one time a few years back, and the sun and the beach and the atmosphere just looked so beautiful. So we are now on the way there, guys, so please join us to see beautiful Mindanao. So beautiful. So hello guys, we are now at the beach, one of the nicest beaches ever in Mindanao. So join us here today as we discover this hidden gem. So please subscribe, like and comment, guys. Thank you very much. Hello everyone, we are now going to see the reefs out to sea on one of the Filipino boats. Right, Crystal. Your first time on the boat. So guys, we haven't got much charge left on the camera, but I will click the scene right now, and when we get to the coral reefs, I will start filming again. The corals.
Dia mesti dapat selalu buat anonymous sa lubon.
Hindi man mahulam ka. Pwede mahulam.
Alright guys, we have arrived at this wonderful beach. I will find out the name very soon. But it was around 970 pesos for 2 kids, 2 seniors and 2 adults. Plus a cottage like this one, like one of these. Which cost about 500 pesos. They so happen to say that a table and a cottage cost the same. Don't think so, but it is what it is. But the reason is, let's show you guys right now. Look at this. Look at this beautiful beach. It's so worth it. So beautiful. It's in the north of Mindanao, 2 hours away from Azama City. And it's a white sand beach. Around the area we are staying, that's all black sand and not as nice, but they're constructing all of that. But just look at this, guys. Honestly, it's insane. It's so hot here today also. It's a very small beach, but you can come here to suntan. Come here to suntan. Come here and enjoy your day. This is a hidden gem that you won't know as a tourist unless you know a Filipino, or you just ask where the nice places are in the island. But my God, it's just absolutely beautiful. Look. Sweating. Oh my God. Wow. So guys, let's go for a dip and then I'll be back with you soon. I'm going to show you the sea first, how blue it is, because the camera will pick up how good quality and the colours. Wow. Let's just walk into the sea. We've got reefs. Look guys. Oh my God. I'm so glad I found out about this place. It's so worth the trip. We've got a few people here. But because it's not the weekend, people don't have a day off, or there's no school. But one of the family members said if it's the weekend, this place gets very, very busy. So yeah, that's good that we picked the day that is peaceful. We have no problems filming, people won't get funny. So just make sure to come during the weekdays if you want a peaceful time here. Just wow. I'm going to film on the way back. The thing is, I didn't film on the way here because I'm in the back of the van. I was afraid my camera would just fly away. But on the way back, the wind will be away from us. And then I'll film the towns all the way back to Azama City. But look, someone's on a boat, a little boat now. Right there. It's on a dinghy. There's no mountain views here though, guys. But I would say this is just a hidden gem. It's just unbelievable. You can make your own little fire here to cook some fish. Cook some fish or barbecue. All the Filipino families are just really nice out here. If you ask them just to cook something on a fire for you, they will. So like I say, it's worth the money, worth meeting new people and worth relaxing. Thank you so much. Alright guys, we have just left the beach. How beautiful was that, right? Oh God, I'm now like red raw like a lobster. Like, beautiful cheese puffs. But yeah, I had a really good day. Crystal had a really good day. We've all had an amazing day. So, like I said guys, you need to get yourselves out here to the Philippines. Don't listen to anyone, just get yourself out here because there's so many hidden gems you don't want to miss out on. All these coconut trees. Not only that, the scenery out here on the way to the beach is mind-blowing. Honestly, thank you guys for watching today. Please subscribe, please like and comment, and maybe share. And I'll see you on the next one.